Alright, this is my old Kirby vacuum cleaner. Yep. My sister's father found this for her somewhere and she never brought it to her place, so she just left it here at my place. So, it's mine now. Yeah. Here's what, and here's something else. I don't have the foggiest idea how old this thing is or when it was built, manufactured. But I do know it's a factory rebuild from February of 1992, 17 years ago. So this thing was rebuilt by a factory 17 years ago. And it works really good too. I got it hooked up to the power supply. I got it adjusted all the way up so it doesn't suck up any stuff on the driveway. And here we go. It's alive. Really, really good. See? The light works. It works really, really good. It sounds pretty nice too. See that thing right there? Here. Shut this off and press this again. Just like that. You turn it on, press it. Shut it off. Press it again. Let me show you something else that's neat. This thing right here. Keep pressing that until it goes down until it doesn't go down anymore. Then press this once. Yeah. Now, I'll put the camera on the ground and I'll show you. Okay. Now watch this. Up on one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Keep pressing this down there like this until it doesn't go down anymore. And it works really, really good. I love this thing. As I said, I don't have the foggiest idea how old this thing is. So, if any of you who are watching this video, if you can try to figure out how old this thing is, or if you know, please comment the video. Tell me how old this beast is. I'm guessing it's probably could even be from the late 1950s, maybe maybe even the 60s, 70s. Kirby vacuum cleaners are mostly unchanged for the most part, even to this day. Yep. Okay, see you later.